I am so excited to share this product with you. I have been a huge fan of Glow Recipe for the longest time. So when I was able to partner with them to share this new product with you, I had to say yes because I'm so excited. So right here we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow, which by the way is one of my favorite lines from them. I'm obsessed with the watermelon. This is the niacinamide sunscreen. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I love a good product with sunscreen. Skincare, makeup, anything. If it has sunscreen in it, I am 100% ready to try it. So this one is sunscreen you'll want to wear. Non-comedogenic and non-acnegenic. Real safe sunscreen actives, blendable and lightweight, dermatologist tested and safe for sensitive skin, and ophthalmologist tested. Let's try it out. And I haven't opened it yet, so this is my first look. So let's do it. There's of course directions on the back, so read that before you apply it. Actually, it also says you can unfold the box to see our recipe for sustainability. So you can see, I'm not gonna take it apart right now, but there's a part that says formula, packaging. So there's some information on the inside about the brand and their goals for sustainability. Now on the directions, shake well before. So we'll shake it, apply liberally and evenly. 15 minutes before sun exposure, reapply at least every 2 hours. Use a water-resistant sunscreen if swimming or sweating. And then a few other notes on here for children and sun protection measures. So read the box. I'm going to squeeze it right out so you can see it. It's just a nice little cream. We're going to smell it because I have a feeling it smells amazing. It just has like a really light watermelon scent, and sometimes sunscreens have a strong like sunscreeny kind of scent. I don't smell it on this one, so we're going to apply it just nice and evenly here. It feels very light on my skin. Now I can really smell more of the watermelon. I didn't actually have a strong scent of it earlier, but I can definitely smell it now that it's on my face. But it's not really overpowering for me. I'm totally fine with scented products. I'll put a little bit on my neck because I did squeeze out quite a bit. So what you saw me squeeze out there was enough for my face and for my neck. So it feels very light. I am absolutely loving it. Again, I've been a fan of Glow Recipe for a while, especially their watermelon line. So when I got the chance to try this, I was absolutely ready to do it. And I'm so happy I did because I'm going to be adding this sunscreen into my daily routine, especially now that the weather is getting nicer and I will be outside a little bit more often. We got to protect ourselves from the sun. So Glow Recipe SPF 50. Take a look. I'm going to link it so you can shop this and let me know what you think. Follow me at the Banani Diaries on Instagram and TikTok and on my website for more.